शुरू से ही। और परफॉर्मेंस वाइज आई वुड से कि थोड़ा सेटिस्फैक्ट्री है, बट डेफिनेटली लेसन्स लिए हैं कि किस चीज़ पे आगे काम करना है, क्या इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और क्या मेंटेन करके रखना है। सो वही है गोल अभी कि जो जो सीखा है उस पर काम करेंगे।
कुछ शुरुआत हुई थी या कैसे क्या देखिए?
हाँ, फाइनल्स की बात कर रहे हैं।
फाइनल में
हाँ, फाइनल्स में थोड़ा सा शुरू में डगमगाया हुआ था आई वुड से। बीच में थोड़ा बेटर हुआ एंड लास्ट में फिर से थोड़ा स्ट्रगल था, बट आई वुड से कि मेरी फाइनल्स की थोड़ी सी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है आई फील। एंड आगे बस वही जो भी लेसन लिए उन पे काम करेंगे तो होपफुली और इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा।
कुछ लगता है क्या गलतियाँ क्या हुई, कुछ लग क्या फाइनल में?
वो तो गलती ओके, सो थोड़ा बहुत आई वुड से ग्रिप प्रेशर वगैरह चेंज हुआ था बीच में मिड सीरीज, तो उस पर थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करना है। बाकी आप बताइए।
But what was going through your mind throughout the competition? थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे था and all. Especially towards the end, there were two shootouts. Playing in home ground.
So honestly, I did not really have much in my mind. मैं बस अपने आप को काम डाउन करने की कोशिश कर रही थी और बस अपना प्रोसेस फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रही थी।
This was your first medal in 25 meter after 2020.
Let her first finish the answer. She was replying something. Let her finish, then you can
It's
ask.
fine. Yeah, what was I saying?
You were trying to calm your mind.
Yeah, I was trying to calm myself down and I was just constantly talking, self-talk जो हम लोग athletes करते हैं. So I was just talking to myself about what I have to do and if it's okay or I need to work on that. So yeah, that. And मतलब I don't keep a track कि कब medal आया था last, but I think अगर आपने रखा है तो
If not wrong, I think this is your first championship medal
sorry.
in 25
No,
meter.
this is first medal since 2021 Delhi World Cup bronze in 25 meter at this.
No, after that there was one in Bhopal also.
There was team.
No, it was individual. You didn't do your homework.
So do you think it is too early to peak since Asian Games is towards the end of the year? So are you in peak at the moment or will it tie you?
I think right now I'm just keeping it a little moderate. I wouldn't say it's peak. I wouldn't say that I'm not working at all. But I would say that somewhere in the in between, I'm trying to just keep the pace up, and hopefully it will. I will try my best to keep it going and take it a little up.
You had like two injuries last year. You tried to getting better from them. As in, how difficult was that journey to get to shoot as well as you shooting now?
So yes, I had a couple of issues with my elbow and some other places as well. But I'm really thankful to OGQ and the OGQ team that they have fantastic physios who are always helping me out, especially Sanchita. So with their help, I was able to recover, and I hope that I keep myself strong and ready for next competitions.
Do you ever find it? I mean, the motivation hard, or like are there days when it gets easier, are there days when it gets hard?
Definitely, there are days when it's just so easy that you do absolutely, you put very less efforts and still you are able to do it. And then there are days when you put everything that you have, but still you are just struggling a little bit. So yes, there are days for sure.
And there were like, there was like the 10-meter pistol event where you didn't get the result you wanted. Does it bother you, or like, are you able to overlook these things now? Now that you have like achieved whatever you have achieved.
I think now I think about the bigger picture more, and that okay, this is in the past now. Let me focus on the next thing at hand. And for me at that time, it was 25 meters match for Asian Championship. So I feel that after taking my lessons, of course, I was able to move on rather quickly. But of course, it's not like I don't completely neglect that. So yeah, it's just part of. I mean, like it's just part of the cycle. I will never win everything, but at the same time, I will never lose everything as well. For as long as I'm working hard, I will try to keep
How do you
giving
de-
my best.
how do you describe the competition in your field?
The competition, I think the girls are doing really well, especially Indians. The Indian team has been doing very well, and that is also some positive competition, positive kind of like competitiveness in our own team. So it's very nice to have that, and we just keep each other on toes, I would say.
Manu, you recently changed your gun also. Was it for this event or the 10-meter event?
It was for this.
This event. So how was shooting with the like this? I think your first competition with the new gun, if I'm not wrong.
No, I have shot a couple of like trials.
Okay,
Trials
right,
I
right.
shot, nationals I shot.
But
So I'm
overall,
just
how is
picking it up.
okay?
I'm just seeing what all I like and what all I don't
What's
like.
different from the previous gun you had?
Okay, so I don't really want to get much into the technicalities, but there is some difference in recoil. There is some difference in the accuracy. Yeah.
One last question. Has anything changed when it comes to managing your season? There are still number of trials, number of tournaments, everything. You said you are looking at the bigger picture. How do you, in your mind, do that when it comes to managing your season? Has anything changed? Any approach has changed?
So I like to discuss this with my coach, Jaspal sir, and we plan accordingly. Okay, what all competitions we have to shoot, what all competitions we can just let slip, and where we need to peak and where we need to work even harder, push more, where we can just lie a little bit lower and just breathe and focus on ourselves. So yeah, we definitely plan that, and accordingly we try to do it.
Manu,
Is it to shut out the result of one event and then focus on the next? There could be days when you have shot 1 in 10 and you are on an emotional high going into 25. And there could be events where you're not done well in one event and go to the next one. How is the mindset like in the gap?
So I have so I have always shot both the events, and I think 2018 was my first ever competition where I shot both the events, or 2017 in November, December. Rather. So I've always had this balance between both the events, and I don't feel estranged or I don't feel even if one match is good or bad, it doesn't really bother me that much because I know that there is another match, and no matter even if I won a gold in this, that's not going to help me in that. So definitely the mindset is more like, okay, this is another match, and I have to try and give my best.